barbecue fam? Today we're doing up some chicken quarters. Oh hell yeah. We're going to be using civettas, a classic from upstate New York, and we're going to marinate that with some sliced onion for about 2 hours, and then we're going to sear it and we're going to smoke it on the Char Griller 980. Oh hell yeah. And we're doing some baked beans, doctored up, cornbread, oh hell yeah, and an upstate New York classic, salt potatoes. Check this out. So you'll want to marinate your chicken with some sliced onions, civettas, at least 30 minutes. I'm going 2 hours. The packaging says 30 minutes is perfectly fine. And this is an upstate New York classic. So you want to sear this off, pull it, get your grill temps back down, and smoke it till you're hitting at least a 165, 175 degree internal temp on this chicken quarter. Oh hell yeah. We're gonna be loading up this Char Griller 980 with some cornbread, some beans, and that chicken. And if I could boil some water, I would do the salt potatoes out here as well, but I will bring them back and put it all together and make a classic upstate New York meal. Only missing one thing, corn on the cob, but it's March. Spring wants to be here. Yesterday there was no snow. Last night we got nailed with a storm. Now it's a windstorm. Next week we're going in the 60s. Oh hell yeah. So spring's coming. That's what happens up here. You never know. But anyway, this is a great beginning of spring cook. Barbecue chicken. We got cornbread. We got baked beans. And we got salt potatoes. Oh, this is spring. Oh hell yeah. Here's a classic upstate New York salt potatoes. Small potatoes with a lot of salt. Boil them in water, pull them, melt some butter, pour that over the top. Oh, hell yeah. Cornbread has been put into a cast iron. We got that in the smoker, and we got the chicken in. We're gonna start basting that with some barbecue sauce. I'm using this Top Rack barbecue sauce, the original, just no junk in it, basic barbecue sauce. Oh hell yeah. We got some bacon in a little skillet on the flat iron 3-burner from Char Griller over here. Oh hell yeah. We're gonna be adding in our beans with some yellow mustard and some Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy R. Mix that all up. Killer.
Give me a hell yeah!
So we're cooking everything at about 350. That chicken is going to take a little bit longer, so I pulled everything out, and we got about 10-15 more minutes to go on that chicken, so I boosted that temp up because we have a great color, great skin. Oh, it's looking amazing, smelling amazing. So I bumped it up to 425 for about 10 more minutes because we're only at about 155, 157 degrees internal. We got to get it up, and then we'll pull it, let it rest, and we'll cut in all of this. Oh, looking amazing. Oh hell yeah. few more minutes. We'll temp that chicken, pull it, let it rest. Oh, it's time to get in to this chicken. It's time to pull all the chicken. Oh, hell yeah. Most people want to know, what the heck is salt potatoes? Well, guys, this doesn't have to be just an upstate New York thing. And you want to get your little potatoes, boil them in your salt, dunk them in your butter. You betcha. It's so damn good. If you've never had them, look into it. It's easy and amazing. They're so good. Something I grew up on. All the fairs I ever went to as a little kid. Oh. Dunk that in your butter. That's an upstate New York thing. Oh, hell yeah. I mean, that is some juicy chicken. Oh, hell yeah. Time to get a bite of this bad boy. She's dripping.
I said, give me a hell yeah.
I mean, look at that. That is amazing. Should have let it rest a couple more minutes, but it smelled too damn good. I had to get into it. Look at that. So this is the upstate New York delight. Oh, let me tell you, this whole thing, with the exception of no corn on the cob right now, because it's a giant freaking storm, wintertime, it is what it is, but some of these beans, oh. Oh, yeah. Oops. I mean, come on. Yeah, come on to the storm. Go away. Spring, come on. Those were rocking. And the crazy thing is, they were Dr. Pepper beans. This is unusual, but I can taste Dr. Pepper in there. That is crazy. Cool ass beans. I found them at a local Aldi. Now we gotta get that cornbread. Oh, cornbread. Dessert shake in there. Oh, you gotta do it. And the can of cream corn. You gotta do it that way. Super moist. I mean, look. Super moist. Oh. Alright, folks. That's an amazing upstate New York chicken dinner with all the good stuff. This is rocking. Go make it yourself. Easy to do. Damn. Rocking. Cheers, folks.
I said, give me a hell yeah.
Do it. Trust me.